is filled with excitement. Tables are ready, materials are prepared, and curious eyes are everywhere. Today is not an ordinary day. Today is STEAM Day, a day when students step out of their comfort zones and become creators of their own learning. Science is no longer just words in a book. Students mix, test, observe, and ask endless questions. They learn that science is about curiosity, patience, and courage to try again. Every experiment tells a story, and every discovery brings a smile. Flow freely as conversations fill the room and hands move with purpose. Students share thoughts, listen to one another, and build on ideas together, turning simple discussions into meaningful creations. Creativity fills every corner, showing that learning is not silent, but alive with collaboration. Art brings color and expression, mathematics adds structure and clarity, and teamwork becomes the bridge that connects every idea. Along the way, students discover that great creations are never made alone. They are shaped through communication, respect, patience, and imagination. In working together, they don't just create projects, they build confidence, empathy, and a sense of belonging. As the collaboration grows stronger, new ideas begin to take shape. Students challenge themselves to think differently, turning ordinary materials into something extraordinary. They test possibilities, adjust their approaches, and learn that innovation often starts from simple questions and brave attempts. Every decision reflects creativity and problem solving, showing how imagination and logic work side by side. In this moment, students are not just following instructions. They are designing, experimenting, and believing in their own ideas. Here, innovation becomes a mindset, and learning becomes a journey driven by curiosity and courage. As the day slowly comes to an end, the excitement still lingers in the room. STEAM Day may be over, but the spirit of learning continues to grow within every student. Today was not just about creating projects, but about discovering confidence, curiosity, and the courage to believe in their own ideas. Through collaboration, experimentation, and creativity, students learned that challenges are opportunities, and mistakes are part of the journey. These moments mark the beginning of something bigger, the first steps of future scientists, engineers, artists, and innovators. What started as simple ideas has become inspiration, and what ends today is only the beginning of their journey forward.